Goes perfect together with any RGB theme to use the color. So you guys can see how bright that is. Look at how bright that is. Of course, you can dim it as well. Give it a nice little glow. Hello my friends, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out High Freeze RGB lamp. So this is a touch lamp. So let's show you guys what's inside the box. Got a little box of goodies in here. Got a nice little manual. You guys can see it comes packaged nice and secure. And that's it. So this is it, my friends. Inside here is probably the power supply. Alright, so this is the power supply. Plugs into your outlet. Looks like they provide you with plenty of cable length. So that way, if you want to set this at many different areas, you can go ahead and easily do that. So yeah, you get plenty of cable. Underneath here, you plug it in just like this, and then run the cable right in between here. That makes it flush for setting up. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Alright everyone, so let's go over some options here that you can do. You can tap to turn it on, tap to turn it off. And under certain modes, you have different color options. Now, the color in person is really nice. This is color mode where it kind of fades to different colors. So you have all these different colors. So let's turn out some more lights so you guys can see it a little better here. So the color is like a glowing color, so it's really nice. And it'll go through all these different color modes. And you can tap to turn it off, tap to turn it right back on, and it'll stay that color mode. You can tap and press and hold. So then if we go underneath here, there's a button on the bottom that you can press to select another mode. So it looks like this mode is a solid color. Tap and hold it and then let go, and it will stay that color. So press and hold, let go for whatever color you want it to stay at, press and hold. So you can basically pick whatever color you want and it will stay at that with this mode. So all you have to do is press, hold, and let go. Press the button underneath it again, and now you have a white color. Again, on and off is just a simple tap. Press and hold, changes the brightness. Look at that. I mean, that is crazy how it lights up the whole area. Tap and hold it, and it goes dim. It blinks right here to let you know when it hits its maximum high brightness or low brightness. So let me go ahead and show you guys this. The light gives off a lot of brightness, but it's not blinding light. So tap it, go underneath the bottom here. It goes back to the color, and this should be the fading color. Overall, guys, very nice. So you guys can see how bright that is. Look at how bright that is. Of course, you can dim it as well. Give it a nice little glow. Goes perfect together with any RGB theme to use the color. Overall, absolutely love it, guys. Just adds to the whole office.